since I went for her.
I won't be picking no ugly bitches. I promise y'all that.
It's my turn. Wrong number. Don't be mad. Good glad.
Yeah, you're fucking terrible. Put your hands out of my face. Put your hands in your lap.
Alright, so put that right there. We're gonna do the same thing like she did. 25 Mita, deal breaker. What was your age? 22 to 28, I think. What was it?
Yeah.
22 to 28. 22 to 28, deal breaker. Black and Hispanic, deal breaker. Yeah. This is my profile. I copy and paste. They didn't really update. Yeah, this is your finest of finest boy. You see me there, you see me here. Fine, right? I know. Tell me. Don't tell me. Anyways, quick story time. I did this all in the morning, by the way.
If you get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality. Yeah. If you're a good woman, I take you on vacation, I give you strength, I give you lobster, I give you berries. You can use my card, you can go on tour, we'll take you to car market, choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Okay, that's my quick story. I go crazy for honest, mature women, go on adventures, trying new things, late night drives, sense of humor, travel. Me hair, books, tea, yoga, self-care, meditation, my producer's princess, and want to get to know me and bring peace. All right?
You
go
already
ahead.
put the
Yeah, I did all that already.
Why are you standing there?
This is intense, you hear me? Whew. I'll take a shot for that one.
Alright. She's Puerto Rican, so I give her props for that already. And she smoke weed.
You got 5 people watching.
Her.
Shout out to the 5. Why'd you swipe up?
Because I don't want to put the brightness up.
I'm about to see you trying to get me in trouble.
No. Actually.
Okay. Yeah, you can click the X. Name WBK.
Okay. Are you sure you put the preferences already?
Yeah.
This is like black and Hispanic, Latino only?
Give me. The preferences, yeah, 25, 28. Black and Hispanic only, yeah.
Okay. Where's this girl from? NoHo. Okay.
City.
No. Okay. Mans be overly going. Like, oh. Do you see that? Because I do. I like her. She's bold. I feel like this is kind of your type. Is she?
We're going straight up for you. Don't ask me what's my type.
No, because, you know, I was fucking talking. I will give you the opportunity to talk. You know.
Listen, you're setting the date up for me. So
I don't even know how to flirt with bitches, actually.
it's not about flirting. You just
How do I even
say
send a
something.
like?
Say something that a bitch wants to hear.
Oops. Sorry.
You're back. I gotta get something to eat real quick.
What do I say, chat? Y'all wanna let me get that. I wanna buy it. Bro L mod. Why they time me? Okay, I think y'all are his friends. Give me something I will say to this girl. I don't know how to flirt with bitches. I like men. But I think he would like this. So give me a suggestion. I don't even know where the fuck Midwood is at. Where's Midwood?
I mean, get that. I want to buy it. Nigga, chill out.
Buy what?
Yeah.
Oh. I told him to give me a suggestion on what they would say to her.
I mean, the prompts. I didn't read the prompts.
Green. Okay, what do we have in common? She plays sports. She likes amusement parks, and she likes eating good food.
Mm-hmm.
She looks for calm and collected, a little mysterious but honest. That sounds like you.
Okay.
Okay, I think I got something I could say. Simple pleasures is getting into peaches after taking a shower and slipping into some clean sheets with a spliff. Per. And then her love language is acts of service and words of affirmation.
Okay.
Say, let me eat it. That's too fast, mama. Like.
And you're talking about me with the 2-man, nigga? This is crazy.
Calm down. Calm down. At ease, my king. At ease. Okay. I'm gonna be like.
They be going. I mean, her shit does say, what does it say at the top?
They be going.
It
Like,
says mutual respect and great sex.
Yeah.
So,
That's why I was like, yeah, I like her. She's. They be going like girls.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not gonna lie. Sometimes they do. City girls down 1,000 for that.
They've been down 1,000.
I think I could reply to this one.
Yeah, do your thing. You don't.
I feel like, I don't know. I feel like maybe this. Does this sound something like a man would say?
Hopefully it went through. He said, "Oh."
Okay, so give me a suggestion.
Hopefully it went through. Fingers crossed.
Give me, before I say something to the next girl, give me something y'all would say besides saying that you would fucking eat it. That's too much.
Let me eat it is crazy.
Her shit is fat. I will say it.
It's alright.
I don't like women, but I will always give props when I see a body. I will say that.
Service and quality time. She talking my language.
Her body is fire. I will say. Her body is tea, mamas. If you've seen this wherever you are, your body is tea, and you're pretty as fuck.
Not bad at my bitch though.
And who's your bitch exactly?
Convenience growing.
If you got a bitch, then why we on Hinge? I didn't hear that. Okay. Let me read her prompts.
It's 7:02. How are you feeling right now?
I'm okay.
Okay, good.
I'm a little hungry, I will say. We gotta get food at some point. My love language is quality time and acts of service. Okay. She's from Brooklyn. You'll get along with her if you want to try new things and places together. Cool. Y'all still not saying what y'all would say.
What you gonna say to this, mod?
Come on, y'all gotta tell me. I'm a girl. I told y'all I like men. I don't know how to flirt with bitches. Okay, she's a natural baddie too. I can see. She's cute.
You got the fuck with that.
She's cute, but I feel like you could say something to this one right here. What's the place that you want to go to try?
Like food wise?
No, it could be anything. She said things or places. Right, not too much. Timeout is not funny. Oh.
Places I want to go to Colombia. Paris.
Let's keep it in New York right now.
Shit.
We're not trying to take her to Paris.
I've never been to Top Golf. You go to Top Golf?
I feel like everybody wants to Top Golf. I mean, I haven't. I don't like golfing. If you want to go to Top Golf, have you been there?
No.
Should I be like, ever been to Top Golf?
Fuck no.
No.
Never. That's crazy.
No.
How the fuck would you ever say that?
Why?
I don't know.
What?
That's terrible.
That's terrible?
Yeah.
Take her to town.
You do that.
Take her to town?
Yeah, you can towel with me. Let me know your availability this week.
What?
Towel on me.
Oh, towel and me?
On me.
On me this week?
Yeah.
I went to Tao like less than a month ago, y'all. Not gonna lie.
What the fuck?
That day was whack as fuck. I hated Tao.
You was in the back section. That's fine.
I was in the back section. That was the craziest part.
You was?
Yeah, I hated it. Thumbs down immediately. Tao and me this week, you said?
Yeah.
That's it?
What the fuck? Towel?
You just said yes, and then now you said no. What did you say?
I said towel, and let me know your availability this week.
Oh, towel.
Towel on me.
Oh, towel on me.
I don't know how this shit works. I forgot how to do this
Let
shit.
me know your availability this week. Yes?
Yeah. Don't use that fucking color heart. Hell no. Don't even use no heart. You tweaking.
That?
Yeah, just like that.
Oh.
You gonna fold. Don't worry.
I wouldn't. Take her to town. I can't believe that's what y'all would say. That's it? Like...
And like I said again, you'll be folded.
I don't know about me specifically. Maybe them.
How's it not working?
She's cute. Oh, she has a child.
So is that two already, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But her child could potentially be the dog. Because she does have a dog in the picture. Yeah, I think it's the dog. Most likely.
Get ring, girl, make it.
Don't worry about me. I'm trying to do something over here. It's just, I'm being impatient.
I also do think you should change your pictures. You don't look like your pictures anymore.
I haven't taken any pictures of myself.
Well, you
recently.
need to like take pictures and like good ones.
This is for this ring. And then if it does go through, I'm gonna keep it let it linger for a little bit. If it does go through, then you set another date. And you pay for the date. I'm paying for your date, you paying for my date. That's how it goes. What the fuck?
What? The nigga should be paying for the date anyways. If it even was to get there. What the heliante? I think she's pretty. What do y'all think? Men in the chat.
You said scroll down.
Wait, scroll down really quick. Okay, scrolling down. What part? A man of God. Is this the part that I'm scrolling down to? What did he say?
Oh, I think he went Instagram. Hashtag shark. I feel it.
What did he say?
He said hashtag. He got it already. Hashtag shark.
Also skip.
No. This is on you. Don't worry about us. Do you feel like this is my type?
I do feel like this is your type.
Okay, so then do what you gotta do.
But
what? Don't worry what he said. I told you don't worry what he said. What the fuck?
Yes or no?
What? Nigga.
No?
What? Do you not see that right there?
Yeah. What did he say? I can't see.
Don't worry what he said. It's about you.
Wait, actually check IG.
I'm about to right now, so I'm doing.
Okay, check her IG. Wow, what does the IG say? I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I would even say to this. There's nothing really like. Her thingies are boring. The prompts.
That's how it be sometimes. I want someone who's a man of God.
I got caught and I want to skip on that just because of that.
I want someone who's a man of God.
She's pretty, but...
Walking down face mask plus my son. And Instagram.
I'm gonna skip her. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna yay. Probably gonna skip this shorty too.
Yeah.
Chelsea is from Tribeca.
Ma, you need to get on that. They said coolie.
She's cute. But not your type. She's pretty. First round is on her if it's tequila shots.
You talking about she pretty. You talking about type.
Jalissa.
Alright, two truths and one lie. I read in a book, I can't swim, or I've been to 10 different countries. Which one is the lie?
She's pretty.
How tall is she?
I think she's like 5'5".
Okay. Smooth.
No, it doesn't say, does it? Mm-mm. What do you think?
I'll fuck with it.
Yeah?
Yeah. She's a little older than me though, but so that might be like a deal breaker, but I'll fuck with it.
Huh. She's biracial.
There you are.
I don't know. Honestly.
Oh shit, my fault.
Would you?
No.
No.
Mm-mm.
What about this?
Scroll. No.
Okay, I need to see what is like your gauge.
Definitely no. No.
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Why? You didn't even scroll.
I don't need this girl. No. 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 I'm gonna scroll a little bit. No. Speak case type. Scroll. I think I said scroll now.
Oh.
I feel like I know her. She be my friend. I'll throw her Uber or something. Scroll. Let me see that first prompt. That doesn't count. I just have to say that. wait, go back. Let's go. No. She be my friend though. Nope. Nope. Scroll. First of all, you supposed to be putting me onto the date. I fucks with that though, but you supposed to be putting me onto these dates. How much are we? That's 3 already? 4? 2?
I think like 3.
Well, that one doesn't count, so that's technically 2. I did that. You didn't do that.
I don't know. Like, would you go for this?
Yeah, I just said yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
She's not my speed. Yeah, she's not my speed, but I'll go for it. It's out of the ordinary.
So, like, what's even the point?
Why not? She's from
See,
New
like,
Jersey.
I'm realistic. You're not.
Stop it. Scroll. She's from Hackensack, New Jersey. She's 5'3". She's really attracted to back muscle. She might be Colombian. Just might. I'm not really into Colombians, but she's smooth. Especially that one in the green right there.
What is your best pickup line?
I don't got those.
What's your best pickup line? 3 viewers in here?
Yeah.
3 people will tell me what is your best pickup line. Don't tell me some wild shit, please. Keep it cute.
You waiting for a very long time.
Best pickup line. Yours was, you're not from the towns, for real.
It's not a pickup line though.
Apparently it is.
No, I just didn't know you was from the towns. You're not from the towns for real.
What?
I never seen you in the towns.
Do you know how big New York City is? Demon. Best pickup line. Best pickup line. What would I say if I was a man?
I think you should do a different prompt.
She don't got that many good ones. That's 1. That was 2. And this was 3. What the fuck would you even say to this? Come see mine?
Fuck no.
The fuck?
You're scaring the hoes away with that bullshit.
Exactly. So I think the best one is this one. What is your best pickup line? You don't got a fucking pickup line?
Oh, I'm not no lame ass niggas that have a pickup line.
So what would you say if you saw a shorty in the street?
Her?
No, I'm saying like if you saw a shorty in the street, what would you say to her?
It depends. Depends on what she doing. Give me a scenario. What is she doing?
You're just randomly walking and she is too.
So what is she doing? She in the phone? She tying
Yeah,
her
I'm gonna
shoes?
say she's
Texting?
Mm-hmm.
How does her face look? Is she
What?
happy? She sad? She looks mad?
She's just distracted, you know. She's looking up, she's looking around, and then she's going back on her phone.
I probably won't say anything. No, I probably won't say anything. I'll be like, yeah, no. You looking for me, baby? You lost, baby? I won't say anything. She's still in her phone. I don't like a bitch that's in her phone too much.
What? That's insane. Skip her.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Skip her. I'm scared. Scroll down and no. God.
Can't skip her.
Can't skip her. Yeah, it was skippable.
Mod, that's your type, Mod. I'm straight screaming you. Negative.
Burgers are not even good. Hilarious. She's pretty. Would you?
I fucks with it. Especially that one right there. The last one. Smooth. Yeah.
Riding your roller coaster, but it never stops running and you can't get enough. Embrace the chaos. Embrace chaos. It's to be eternally happy with myself and my achievements. Burgers are not even good, please. Love steak because I'm steak girl. So you don't like burgers, but you like steak. Huh. 90s R&B in the car. And she could dance. Can you dance?
I do anything. I'm man of all trades. Well, you like looking at
I
Facebook?
haven't seen that for myself.
We haven't been to a place where we could dance.
Mm.
Fuck, nigga.
90s R&B. Give me a song. You should be good at that.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die? Giving so much of yourself. It seems the only way. Tell me what you want tonight, and I will give it to you. 'Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream of? Lock in, twin. You supposed to be like lock in.
I don't know how to flirt with women. What the
It's not flirting with women. What would you want to hear? Type what you would want to hear. It's not about flirting. I was not flirting with them niggas. I ain't on the other side of the spectrum.
What the fuck is wrong?
What?
It's probably not what the fuck they would want to hear. Honestly.
Okay, so since you're a girl, what would you want to hear?
What the
If
hell?
these was your prompts or list, what would you say? What would you want somebody to reply to?
I don't even fucking know. This is like the hardest job ever, quite frankly. Okay.
You got 5 more to go, man. That's it. 5 more.
That's mad fucking hard.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You could. They didn't had your 7 already. Well, Scott, I see potential sometimes. You feel me?
I don't know.
Say something about the steakhouse or the steak.
What would you even say to that? The fuck can you say? How do you like your steak? How do you like your steak, ma'am?
Shit, go ahead, shoot it.
What?
Go ahead. I won't say it, but go ahead.
What were you gonna say? Don't send it, but let me see.
Today's Saturday, right?
A fucking steakhouse. That's all y'all can say? Steakhouse and something? Oh my god, boring. That's really the gist, I guess. Sure.
That's not boring. You talking about a steakhouse in a medium rare temperature, nigga.
You're the one who just said steakhouse.
I was not gonna say anything about no steakhouse.
Didn't you just say? Oh, you said steak. My bad. Yeah, being a girl is hard.
Shazam!
Overly going.
Holy. Can you please go back to that one? Like, just go back to that one. Like, that one I have to go back to it. Let me do it.
What?
Go back to the one previously.
No, I'm not giving you the phone this time.
Alright, so say something to it, man. Something, anything. How you gonna skip that?
No,
You're supposed to know my type already right there. Look at that. You see that height right there? Oh my gosh. Lima mango, man.
Can you sit the fuck down?
Lima.
Calm the fuck down. I didn't even finish. And, like, you see overly going. And no, this is not good.
You can't say no. You can't say no to that.
And I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna say no because I haven't said no. And since he skipped on my type,
No, you can't. You can't. Anything else
guess
but
what the fuck I'm gonna do?
No.
She's gone.
No, go back. You can't do that, bro. You cannot do that. Go back.
But you fucking did it, right? You fucking did it. Don't make me put my hands on you because I really don't fucking want to.
Go back, bro. Go back. You can't do that.
Oh, but
You
guess
can't.
what? I can.
You can't do that.
I can.
You can't do that. Go back.
But I can.
Go back. You can't do
but
that.
I can.
You can't do that. Go back.
I can, but I can.
Go
but
back.
I can.
Go back.
I'm not going back.
Oh my gosh. Let me see the phone real quick. I gotta text somebody real quick.
You gotta text my fucking body.
Bro, go back, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, now you see how it feels. I'm glad that
That's
you feel
different though. Like you supposed to be knowing my type. That's a part of my type right there.
Feel. Oh, how you think I felt?
Hey, bro, go back, bro.
How you think
Just go
I
back
felt?
this one time.
I haven't even skipped nobody
go
yet.
back this one time.
I haven't
Just go
even
back.
skipped nobody.
You did. Go back.
I didn't.
Go back. And that's why I told you we could have been done with the 7 already. I just been quiet. Just go back. You have to go back on that one. You have to. Like that. That's like a. Thank you. Say something now. Say something. Info. Let me say something. Thank you.
He's not a good friend, y'all. Just for that. Cause how the fuck you gonna skip all the niggas that I fucking liked, and then now we gonna fucking keep going on the ones that you fucking like? How that work?
Nah, it's only because she's 4'11", that's all.
No, bitch. You're a fucking L.
Nigga, listen, bro. We'll talk about that later. Don't worry about that. Go ahead.
No. You're a fucking dick, honestly.
Go back real quick.
No.
I just want to see the cat. I just want to see the cat. I missed the cat. I missed the cat.
No, bitch. Now you're fucking playing with me.
I missed the cat.
Bitch, you can miss other shit.
It looked like a Russian blue or something.
I don't give a fuck what you miss, actually. No. Be equally fair. Because I fucking sat here when you fucking skipped the niggas that I fucking liked.
So don't ask him about...
Shut the fuck up. Now you're gonna piss me the fuck off. Ugh. I can never just sit here and be nice. This is every day, y'all. Anyways, back to what the fuck I was saying. Honestly, no. But, like, I'm not trying to rush into anything either. Slut. That's what you are.
I didn't say nothing, bro.
I can just read your
What the
brain.
fuck? I'll read her.
Sure that I'm an outreader. She's like pretty, but then like, I don't know. I'm confused.
That first one, wow. I was gonna say that she kind of looks like what's the bitch name? Ava. But I lied.
Oh, she's on my phone. Too loud. Kind of boring. She's pretty though. Mortal Kombat. Do you play Mortal Kombat?
Mm-mm.
Do you like rock wave?
I listen to Raw Wave. She pulling to me, huh? Okay. Ain't go wrong with pulling to me.
She's cute. Who's my favorite singer?
And hashtag chill on me.
I have one too. What's wrong with a fidget spinner? Yailin? I feel like it could be Yailin. Well, it's a singer. Yailin is not a singer. What's funny? Something funny. Her prompts are dry. I want to say something to her.
That's how you get the most every girls.
She's cute.
Mid prompts. Tell her that.
What? Her prompts are mid?
Yeah.
Why?
I'll tell her that.
You telling the girl what she don't want to hear.
That she wants to hear that. Because she didn't reply to it. And say some bullshit. Now I got her attention. That work. It's called reverse psychology.
L strategy.
Definitely not L strategy. Good method.
Quite frankly not.
Well, look where you're at.
What?
Rick going by it. Be long. Can you drink that, Rose? If we get another one going?
You like irritate me so bad. Like literally. It's like I have to practice meditation. To avoid from wanting to fucking punch you in the face. Like, what the fuck? What did he say?
2 eyes. I could throw it to you. I could, you got nothing to say? You got nothing to say? I throw the hoop right now.
To her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same. Just hang throw the hoop in. Nigga BKB,
I like her.
which one you like? Which picture you like? Tell me which picture you like. And then we're going through the hoop.
First one. Last one is pretty too. I like this one. The second to last. That one? Y'all niggas is too freaked out.
Shazam!
So, my God.
Duh. But oops. Is it 2 underscore, 1 underscore? What is it? Alright. Is it 1 underscore or 2? It looks like it's 2. Alright, cool. No way. No way. No way.
Yikes.
No way. This is what this called for, bro. No fucking way.
Man, I fell down to my knees when the law
No way. What the fuck is that, bro? No, I got it. Don't worry. I got it. He might actually just have to, actually. You might actually have to. She's from the towns. Not outside of the towns, though. She's on the opposite side of the town. Ozone Park, to be exact.